Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again. Today I'm gonna make lunch for Javi, and as you can see, I have already broccoli here. I boil it for 5 minutes, and I already have some. Um, I already have chicken here. Um, I already boiled this too for like as long as when it's ready, and then guys, on my vlog I'm gonna be speaking Bisaya, which is my dialect, Tagalog, and English. um, so huwag kayong mag-bash, ano, so huwag ninyong i-bash yung mga, so anyway, never mind about that. So ito guys, nilagyan ko siya ng brats. Cause lalagyan ko siya ng bacon, but yung bacon is frozen pa. So brats na lang. Then I'm gonna drain this. Let's drain this, guys. So i-drain lang natin to. Sorry, guys, never mind about my hair kasi I have, madami ako ditong baby hair. Ewan ko. Siguro ano to siya ng, after mga anak. So, already drained this. And now it's ready. So, lagay na natin to doon sa ating chicken. Yan guys, so you can see. So after this guys, I'm gonna put ranch dressing. So, ang hirap guys kasi phone lang yung gamit ko because I'm not thinking to buy so like I said, never mind my hair. By the way guys, tulog pa yung husband ko and my kid. Yung baby ko tulog pa. So ito yun siya guys, lagyan natin to. I think about half. Sorry guys, it took me a long time. Took me a while to open this. So lagyan natin siya maybe half of this. By the way guys, I just follow this recipe and I will put it down on this video. I mean the link. So oh, So, yeah. Well, I'm not a fan of fried chicken. I mean, I'm a fan of fried chicken, guys, but not a chicken like this or the way this cook is. Let's add more kasi dry siya. And then we're gonna bake this for 15 minutes. By the way, guys, let's preheat the oven. Preheat natin yung oven for 6 minutes. Let's make this well. So guys, pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko. Di pa ako naka-shower, di pa ako nakapag-shower. Kaano ko lang. Kalinis ko lang ng bahay. Ayun na. So, ito guys. Masarap niya. So, ayan. Lagyan natin yan ng lagyan natin yan ng garlic, garlic powder. Sorry guys, natitense kasi ako pag yung may camera na nakaano sa akin. So, lagyan natin ng a little bit of powder. And then after this, guys, so let's put cheese on top of it. Let's do this mild cheddar first. Ayan guys, narinig ko na yung anak ko. Gising na siya. So, ito namang Monterey Jack cheese. So, ito na siya, guys. Yan na siya. And then, let's cook this for, now, let's bake this for 15 minutes. And I'll show you 15 minutes, guys. And then, papakita ko sa iyo yung after 15 minutes.